If you're coming into the crypto space, there's a lot of things you need to know about a crypto wallet. I'll be talking about Trust Wallet, which is the official digital wallet of Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange, and Trust Wallet is a non-custodian wallet that you can start using. So I'll show you how to get started, how to save your crypto, put your crypto in your wallet, how to send and receive in this video. So make sure you are liking, subscribing, and you're following me. So now, Trust Wallet, make sure you've downloaded it from Play Store or the Apple Store. And once you've downloaded it on your phone, now Trust Wallet, you own and you control everything in your wallet. Okay, so if you're a first time starter, I want you to create a new wallet. If you're creating a wallet, you need to save your seed phrase. Okay, then first of all, create a passcode. This is a passcode that you need when logging in into your wallet. All right, so when a random person holds your phone, they need this password. Okay, so keep up with the markets. Now there's a lot of things that have changed in the crypto space. A lot of people who don't know what is happening. You can do a lot of things with Trust Wallet right now. Okay, you can do a lot of things with this. This is a very smart wallet. Okay, one of the that I want to talk to you about is that you can actually get tokenized reward assets. Okay, stocks. Okay, you can also deal with stocks, the stock market, and all on Trust Wallet. Okay, I'll be showing you that as we move forward in this video. Okay, so there's a lot of things you can do here. You can buy crypto with your bank card, you can buy directly from exchanges, you can receive from other wallets, and you can buy locally from your banks. Okay, there's a lot of things you can do on your Trust Wallet. Now a lot of people could not do this during the years, but new things have been added into it. Now this is your interface, the interface of my wallet. If you just get started, you can fund, you can swap, you can send, and you can sell. All right, so I'm going to be navigating around the wallet now. Now you can see my wallet. I want to back up the wallet manually. I'm going to change the name from main wallet. I will just find a way to change it to something that suits what I'm doing in the crypto space. What I want to use this wallet for, saving crypto on the long run, holding crypto for the long run. Okay, this is main wallet. I'm going to change it to, let's say I'm going to hold for my 100x wallet. Okay, so I'm going to be holding tokens here that I believe can do 100x. Okay, that's what I'm going to do on this wallet. And you can back up your seed phrase manually. I always recommend that you write it down. I'm not going to show you mine, but this is how you get into it. You put in your password and it's going to show you your seed phrase. The seed phrase comprises of 12 words. Okay, don't save it on the iCloud. If you trust iPhone, Apple, that's for you, but I don't trust anybody, so I write it down. I'll write it down on several places so that I can always remember it. Okay, do not leave your crypto seed phrase on the internet. If you get hacked, your funds are gone. Okay, so there's other things I would like to show you about what you can do on Trust Wallet. There's trending. Now here on the trending page, you can actually check what is trending in the crypto space, what tokens are trending, in case you want to go into the market and buy a lot of these tokens, especially meme tokens that can do a 1000x, 100x, and the rest of it. So you can actually check what's trending totally. That's all. And you can check what's trending on the BNB chain and on the Solana chain. Now this is the BNB chain. What is trending on the BNB chain? There's Open, there's Elon. Okay, there's on the Solana chain. Okay, there's Ethereum, there's Base. Okay, you can actually check what token is trending on what chain. Okay, what network that you want to go into. Now you can also swap. You can actually swap from Bitcoin to Ethereum, from XRP to different coins on your Trust Wallet, so you don't need to send it to other exchange to be going around going through many routes. You can do it right on Trust Wallet directly. There's an end page where you can actually instead of keeping your money idle in the bank, you can get some cryptocurrencies. And this is not a financial advice, so please take note. Now you can actually get some cryptocurrencies and stake them. Okay, you can stake them, and the annual percentage rate is quite wonderful right here. Okay, now instead of keeping your money in traditional banks and you're not getting anything, you can actually get some crypto and you stake them for the long run and benefit from it. And when the crypto goes up, your crypto is already going up. You can also do that on stable coins, and you can do that on native tokens. Okay, Polkadot seems to have the highest APR right here, the annual percentage rate. Okay, so that's for you if you want to go into it. Now there's a lot of other things you can do right here. I think I'll do another part where you can send and receive. Okay, so you can buy crypto, you can deposit from exchange, you can receive from your friends and family, and you can buy locally. These are your wallet addresses from any chain that you actually want to go into. I'll be teaching you that on the part 2 of this video, how to send and receive crypto and how to swap crypto on Trust Wallet. Okay, this is very simple, guys. I think that's it for this part of this video. You can actually deposit from Coinbase and from Binance, and that's just how to go about it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notification bell. Now, if you whatever country you are in, you can buy locally from any of the country you are in. You can buy locally into your Trust Wallet. Now, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell. I teach and I show you how to make money online. Don't forget to invite your friends and join my communities. All right, let's go.